So fixing the engine block, let me clean up the extra packing that's showing here. And here. How was that? So I think my silicone is finished. Let me put the new one. I don't know why I just like this clear silicone. I don't know. I just like it. So we're using the clear silicone. This should be sealed. Let me just open the mark here and see. Have you ever loved someone so much you gave him awful? Okay, so let's do this. So this is the part where we fix both the block and the timing chain. This is the part where they go in together. The block and the timing chain. This is the part where they go in together. So we'll be adding this. Let's see. Let's cover this. So I bought some packings. Okay, one is inside here. Mine has gone through a lot of scratching, so I'm going to be adding two. So for this packing, now you see this mark here. So this mark is always on the right hand side. So if you go this way, so if you go this way, let's throw this guy inside. It's bothering me. You see, that stays there. So make me ready. Okay, then my second one goes there. Yeah, that's nice. So let's leave that. So we'll be fixing our timing chain. So this is our timing chain. So let's go in from here, pick it up from here. Gosh, I'm literally looking from the camera. So that timing chain should go. So you see, now I have access to mine. Yeah, so let's put this down. So this is the part where our block goes in. So I'll be oiling the block a little, so the piston will not force itself in. So I will not have to force the piston in. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me so yes. Let me oil my piston. I forgot I will have poured oil on my gear, so at least so there will be startup lubrication. I forgot to do that. That's going to be very painful. See. And then for the engine block, let me pour this and we do. Okay, so let's see. So now remember, this not this way, it is this way. So timing chain is going up. I think I need to hold this timing chain. I need to hold these timing chains. So let's fix the piston first. I'll go back to that first. So if your rings are set properly, fixing this is just a little vibration. So I like just doing this and easy and press, same thing. This guy is messed up. Let me stop. Okay, see, easy. So hold on. I want to get a cable, so I'll hold that damaging out. I think I found the cable. Yes. Okay, so timing chain guy, I want you to stay. So the reason why I'm putting this cable now on this timing chain, I don't want the timing chain going back into the engine after I've mounted this block. So let's pull him out. Yeah, that does it. So let's put the pressure here. Okay, before I do that, let's put one more gasket on. So let's add the gasket on here. Sometimes this is very funny, leaks, and because my engine is old, that's I double the gasket, the block packing. So let's see. So very careful here. Here there's an oil line, so always avoid not blocking that oil line. So let's send this guy. Let's rearrange this guy. Bring this one out. So I like pushing this guy in sometimes. So push him in. I'll still bring it out, but then I want to use rotation to bring it out. I don't want to pull the piston out. So what I'm doing now is I'll lock the block in place. So there are two short nuts here, bolts here. That should lock the block in place. There are 8. So that should lock that in place. So I can bring out the piston to the top. The top is most of the setting for the piston. See this guy. This guy is not going. Come on, come over here. Okay, let's tighten. My hands are slippery. Okay, so let me hold on to this first. So I want to bring out the piston. So let's pick a side. I'm picking this side. So let's see. Rotating up. Rotating. Yeah, that's hard. That's pretty hard. So let's support a little. Out. Oh. This guy is not moving. I moved it. Ooh, he's out. He's out. Ah, I got scared there. So, piston is out. Let's put this guy, let's tie him up. So when he falls in, I can always pull him out back. Ah, there you go. So, piston is out. Timing chain is in. So where is my... Okay, so now this is where this guy comes in. Mine is a little broken, but it's still doing the job. We'll be putting this when I'm putting the block. So this one goes in. So those are the ones that help for your timing adjustment. This one in particular. This is just like the guide for the front side, so the timing chain does not go dancing and end up jumping timing. So that is fixing the block and the timing chain. So let's stay tuned. We're covering this side up and we'll be fixing the top cylinder. So for the top cylinder, we'll be fixing the valve, we'll be grinding the valve, cleaning it up, then connecting everything back into the top cylinder. So stay tuned.